No big deal. I'm just living my best life.
Everybody talking, but they coming to the shows. Pull up in a rose, unless you wanna roll. Everybody talking, but they coming to the shows.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're doing a cooking vlog, a little different from what I've already done, but this is something I want to put on my channel is me cooking because it's like fun to do and I'm pretty good at it. So I'm gonna show y'all what I do and whip it up in the kitchen for y'all. If you haven't yet, make sure you like, subscribe, and follow my channel. Be interactive. Follow me on my socials. Comment down below if you have any ideas about what I should do with my channel or maybe another video if you guys like the cooking, you know. Give me a little bit of, insight. Today I'm making Crunchwraps. Yeah, that's what I decided to make. So, I already went shopping. I went to H-E-B. I did this all for $25. I got a couple extra shit, so I got a couple extra things. So, here we go. I'm going to show y'all what I do. First, we're going to peel this bad boy. So, we got to dice it, get some flavor to our meats. That's what we're going to use the onion for. Next thing, I'm going to get my other pan ready for my meat and my onions. So, again, a little bit of butter, because butter make it taste better. Who says that? If y'all are obsessed with couple YouTubes like I am, Dear. I like watching her. So I'm going to throw a little bit of butter, a tad bit of oil. Oh, actually no oil, because we're going to put the onions. We're just frying the onions. I'm going to turn that on, let it heat up a little bit. I'm going to do the onions and then the beef. Okay, now my onions chopped. I forgot to do my dishes before, so I just got my pots ready. I need something for the meat, something for the rice, and something to do the Crunchwraps on, like fry them on. So, I should probably get started with my rice. Right here, I'm doing this. It says I need, in a saucepan, bring 2 cups of water, a tablespoon of vegetable oil to boil. So all the contents, vegetable oil and water, all to boil. So that's what I'm going to do. And instead of vegetable oil, I'm going to do butter. Just like a little bit, That much. Put it in the pan. And then I'm going to take my contents and let's see, we'll turn you guys a little bit. Do it back here. And turn on to 8 to get it up there. Oh shoot. Yeah, so this is all gonna boil together. Stick her in there. Okay, so we sizzling back here, so I'm gonna put these onions in this pan. Saving a little bit because I got some avocados. I'm gonna make a little bit of guacamole on the side. And you need some onion in there. So, I'm gonna let this cook. Okay, so we got the onion. And then this is coming to a boil. And then I got this slowly warming on because that's gonna be where we do the Crunchwraps at. Yeah. When that boils, we're gonna cover it and reduce. Simmer. I'm just gonna get these a little toasted before I throw the beef on there. It's time for the beef. Here we go. This is what I'm doing. I'm doing the whole thing. The onions are making me cry. Okay, I'm just gonna kind of chop this baby up. We're coming to a boil over here. Okay, yeah. Probably gonna simmer. Oh, wrong one. We're gonna simmer. Put that there. Okay. There we go. First step to good cooking is a good spice cabinet. So we're gonna need garlic. Not those. Oh, Denali blends, you know. No dill weed, no paprika, some onion powder, probably some Creole, black pepper. Yeah. And this is gonna all go in my avocado. Look about done. I'm about to add taco seasoning. I'm gonna drain the fats and we're gonna stick this in there with some water. Okay. And then after we do this, we're gonna let this set. I'm gonna work on the guacamole. Check on our rice. That's looking good. And if it's not seasoned enough, usually I'll go in and I'll add my own stuff in there, like some garlic, some onion powder, paprika. Okay, I like to add sour cream to my guacamole. It gives it a little more taste. Okay, so now we're about to craft these Crunchwraps. So this is like the tricky part of it. It gets wild. I'm gonna grab all my ingredients, some salsa, lettuce, cheese. I'm gonna grab some more butter. And we're gonna put it on the pan where we're gonna fry them at. Okay. So first we're gonna grab a tortilla. I'm gonna lay it down like this. I'm gonna get my cheese. And we're just gonna put some in the middle. Just like a little bit. So you got your cheese in the middle. You're gonna grab your shell. I'm gonna place it like that. Then you're gonna grab some meat. And you don't want to put a lot because there's a lot going on in it and already, so you want to be able to fold it. So we got meat, cheese. I'm gonna put a little more cheese. I'm gonna stick some lettuce. And then salsa. I don't really do tomatoes, but I do salsa. And I just kind of knocked that over, but we're gonna... Okay, so that's what you got. Now this is the hard part. I wish you could see it. But we're gonna fold it. I'm gonna try to show y'all what it looks like after you fold it, because basically after you fold it, you just want to flip it onto the pan. So you're gonna fold it like that. Yeah. Then we're gonna fry it. So you can see it. That lighting's trash. We're gonna move this around, get the butter going. I'm gonna turn this up. And then I got it like this. And I'm gonna flip it. Okay, now we're gonna flip it. Oh yeah, beautiful. This one's going. Final products, beautiful. These ones are still going. That one kind of blew, but beautiful. Final product. Beautiful. So I might as well try in front of the camera for y'all. Let you know it's good. Crunchwrap. Look at the color. Yes. Yum. Fire. Better. Okay, I don't want to say better than Taco Bell, but like homemade food always tastes better than, you know, going out. Okay. Guacamole always tastes good. Yep. So good. My rice. Perfectly cooked. Yup. I'm about to smash. Thank y'all for liking. Talking about smashing. Make sure you smash the like button. Make sure you subscribe. And I kind of suck at telling you guys how to cook or like showing you how to cook, but until I get a tripod, it might be a little easier then, but it was kind of hard. I was just doing it off my phone. So thank y'all for watching. And yeah, tell me if you want to see something else.